Today I'll be installing this wireless charger. This comes very well packed. Here's everything that's needed, and there's a QR code for the instructions. And here's the wireless charger. Then you're gonna remove the console mat. You gotta pry this up, and then you gotta push back. Once you remove that, you gotta remove this cover. Then to remove this whole centerpiece, turn the truck on, put it in back. But first we're gonna remove these two torque screws to lift this up. So now we gotta drill a hole right here. So now we gotta do a hole right there. Pass our wire through that hole. A little bigger. Now we can route our wire. Now we put our torque screws back. There's what we can put back. Here's our cable. All we have left to do is just connect this together. Let's try it out. Works. and it's not in the way of when you put your truck in reverse or drive.